Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you ate two dates every day for a whole month? Is it just a sweet snack, or is there more to this ancient fruit than meets the eye? Dates have been a staple in many ancient cultures, but modern research is now uncovering just how powerful they really are for our health. But here's the burning question. Would eating just two dates a day for a month really give you the benefits people claim? Are dates safe for those with diabetes, considering they are high in sugar and carbs? And you've probably heard that dates can help ease natural labor. Could that be true? In today's video, we'll explore these questions, and I'll reveal the 7 remarkable benefits you might experience if you commit to eating just two dates every day for an entire month. Stick around because you might be surprised by what you learn. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Nutrition Insight. Number 1. Your heart health will improve. Let's start with your heart. Dates may not be the first food you think of when it comes to heart health. But trust me, they pack a punch. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that work wonders for your cardiovascular system. In fact, dates are rich in flavonoids, which can help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation in your arteries. This can significantly lower the risk of heart disease, especially for people who are pre-diabetic or have type 2 diabetes. Plus, dates are an excellent source of potassium, almost twice as much as bananas. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in your body and keeps your blood pressure in check. But that's not all. Dates also contain magnesium, which helps relax your blood vessels and improve circulation. In fact, magnesium supports a steady heart rhythm, which is crucial for overall cardiac health. Imagine all the things your heart can do when you give it this natural boost. So by eating just two dates a day, you're supporting your heart in ways you might not have expected. Number 2, get a beautiful skin glow. Now, let's talk about something we all care about: skin health. Dates can work wonders for your complexion, helping you achieve that natural glow. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, dates protect your skin cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Two major culprits behind aging. But wait, there's more? Dates are also a great source of vitamin B6, which can help manage inflammation that leads to acne or skin redness. But here's the twist. Dates are not just good for your skin. They're good for your gut too. That's right, a healthy gut leads to better skin, thanks to the gut-skin axis. So by eating two dates a day, you're feeding your gut and skin simultaneously. How amazing is that? Number 3, your digestion will improve. If you struggle with digestion, whether it's bloating, constipation, or irregular bowel movements, dates are a game changer. These little fruits are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Soluble fiber helps soften your stool, making it easier to pass, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity. Dates also contain pectin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This healthy balance helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and keep harmful bacteria at bay. One study even found that people who ate dates regularly saw a significant improvement in the frequency of their bowel movements. So if you're looking for a natural way to support digestion and feel more comfortable, two dates a day might just do the trick. Number 4, your brain function will improve. Dates don't just support your body, they support your brain too. These fruits are packed with brain-friendly nutrients, like vitamin B6, which is essential for producing neurotransmitters that regulate mood, motivation, and mental clarity. Here's a fun fact. Just two dates a day can provide about 15% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin B6. But that's not all. Dates also contain choline, a nutrient that supports memory and learning. Choline helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter vital for cognitive function. With all the antioxidants in dates, you're also protecting your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to cognitive decline. So if you want to support your brain health for the long haul, 2 dates a day could be a simple yet effective addition to your routine. Number 5. You'll have more energy throughout the day. You know that feeling when the afternoon slump hits, and all you want to do is crawl into bed? That's when most of us reach for sugary snacks or caffeine to get us through the day. But what if I told you that 2 dates could give you steady, natural energy without the crash? Dates contain a combination of glucose and fructose, natural sugars that are quickly absorbed by your body and converted into energy. Thanks to the fiber content, these sugars are released slowly into your bloodstream, providing a steady stream of energy without the blood sugar spikes and crashes. Dates are also rich in vitamins and minerals like potassium and B vitamins, which support energy production at the cellular level. So instead of that afternoon coffee, reach for 2 dates for a natural energy boost that lasts all day long. Number 6. Your bones will stay strong and healthy. Want strong, healthy bones? Dates might not be the first food that comes to mind, but they can certainly help. Dates are rich in magnesium and phosphorus, 2 essential minerals that work together with calcium to keep your bones strong. Magnesium is vital for bone development, while phosphorus and calcium help build and maintain bone health. So while dates aren't a miracle cure for osteoporosis, they're definitely a tasty addition to a bone-friendly diet. Number 7. Your blood sugar levels will improve. Now here's something that might surprise you. Despite their natural sweetness, dates have a surprisingly low glycemic index. This means they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, which is good news for people managing diabetes or watching their blood sugar. Dates' high fiber content also slows down the absorption of sugar, helping prevent those sugar crashes we all dread. Plus, their antioxidant content helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can worsen insulin resistance. So if you're mindful of your blood sugar, eating 2 dates a day as part of a balanced diet could actually help improve your levels. Can eating dates before labor help ease natural labor? You've probably heard that dates can help ease labor. But does the science back it up? Some studies suggest that eating dates in the weeks leading up to labor may actually shorten the duration of the first stage and reduce the need for labor induction. In one study, women who ate 6 dates a day for 4 weeks before their due date had shorter labor times and fewer medical interventions. Researchers believe that dates help with cervical dilation and promote healthy contractions. But always check with your doctor before trying anything new during pregnancy. Conclusion. So there you have it. From improved heart health to glowing skin and better digestion, eating just 2 dates a day for a month can offer a range of amazing benefits. And the best part? They're natural, delicious, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried eating dates regularly? What benefits have you noticed, if any? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health tips. I'll see you in the next video.